Shoes, man, we can't talk. Yeah, man, I shrimp thing we are dealing with right now, you know. Burn the curry in the oil right away. The Castle production, this. Castle's production. Burn the curry. Original turmeric. Original turmeric. Turmeric mashed with ray and blay. Stir fry before it gets spoiled, you know? Stir fry in the oil don't make it get spoiled. Original coconut oil, 100% coconut oil. Full of sparks like current sparks. Stir fry shrimp, you know? Castle shrimp. Home product. Nothing can beat yard. Highly pot. This is just, whoa, get burned, you know? You can't take it in the kitchen, you get burned. Whoa, shrimps are up now for you. Roast shrimp, we don't want to roast shrimp. Watch that, 2 shrimp go on, they go on roast. Burn the shrimp now. Basha! And the shrimp is, you know, and the pepper, original Scotch on it, everyone. Whoa, outer road. Cool on there, because I get too hot.
Ready, you know? The roast one, they look ready.
What? Is that ready like ready? What in there?
Just up on the side.
Take them over and get spoiled. And next one is like, wow, that job, that will wash up. Now take the background, because we burn that in there. And something there, Basha. Wow. Too much for the pot, not the pot job.
People shrimp in a pot. Where the curry down.
Turmeric, no curry.
No curry,
no
natural
curry.
turmeric. My mistake, my people, natural turmeric. Yeah, man.
Turmeric shrimp.
If you want to curry shrimp, you can link up the bar. Yeah, man, I'm doing the number.
You know, so the original curry come from turmeric. Turmeric is the original thing, and they make curry from turmeric. So we do the natural thing, because we're a yard, man. And with our yard.
Which is
Yeah, oh my God. Well, yeah, pepper man. And it's the original turmeric, the 100% coconut oil and we blend up.
It's a coconut oil mix.
100 turmeric and me have a little scallion and my garlic and my pepper in it same way. And my thyme, blend up my thyme and my onion and my garlic with my turmeric. Because I'm a professional. Country style. Country style. Original pepper. Original pepper, you know. And pepper and salt and pimento so it can't spoil.
Right, that's all.
That is natural preservative.
Turmeric.
Cold pot I go on wicked make me get red because it sparks like current sparks. I go on like Carlton Livingston.
It's a kick, man.
Yeah, when you stir it now you cool down the oil because the oil get too hot, the fire too hot, so you just stir it and cool down the oil before it gets spoiled because if you burn it go spoil. Wicked and wild. bubble, it a bubble, and we don't see no trouble. Because we see trouble, we get it on the double.
Turmeric smell good, though.
Well, original turmeric, man. And then the dry turmeric powder now, the original turmeric powder, alright. Fresh turmeric. Have a lot of juice in that turmeric, Turmeric shrimp.
Yeah, bad people.
Yeah, bad man. The fire sparks like current sparks. And you get steak, you know, go on, so. Gold teeth cola, gold teeth cola, gold teeth. On West Street cola, so gold teeth cola, man. That sparks like in teeth and time.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
For real.
The people. Guys, I'm gonna play ball. Yeah, man, we have bunks. And we have time I'm fine for.
Yeah, original.
People say I have a peanut cake, man, see me.
Yeah, peanut cake next and greater cake and coconut cake, what they call the drops. Yeah. Later, but where the shrimps are put on the cool, because you can package it warm, it will spoil. So cool because we do the shrimps first. And then we do the original peanut cake and then chops. Yeah. Cheddar brown is in a Mr. Brown yard and Pearly Brown. We have brown, big brown, Dennis Brown, one big family. Watch out, cola sparks! Fire, bone bag of wire. And sell up Marcus Garvey.
I tell you, man.
Yeah, the story man make it hard get cool long, cool him down because tempo too hot. Too much chivel and bass the volume. Cool him down right away. Can go with rice and peas, dashing and cocoa and banana and breadfruit. You can't run. Ground produce.
Man, really white, right?
Next time you catch out of St. Thomas on the river bank, because we love Fuka River,
Alright, sir.
The river we still thing there,
Yeah, tell me what the man they do and camera go on night time, so.
Yeah, man, we love cook on the river, man. On the river, And drink out some spirit, man, the ancestor, then.
Which is right. That's a bubble.
You could have smell it, but they can't smell it.
Tell yourself them could have smell it, That people. Well seasoned. That's all at the pot.
We just cook easy, because we want in easy spice. That to work with. Not go too hard, easy. Easy spice and fish spice.
Nice.
Every post left out of Warwick Island. Every post left Warwick Island. Every post. All posts left Warwick Island now. The smell blue gone over Warwick Island. So. All posts left heels are coming up on the flat. Can I sell the fish? Fire. Fire spark. Kiss the sparks. Watch it. Fire is sparking. Fire red. Redder than red. Redder than jade. You don't share coconut water? Oh, come on, the coconut water for base it, Coconut water, we use and base it.
Alright, that's coconut. We make coconut jobs. This is all about making coconut jobs. So you have to ox coconut and things. Of course. You understand what I'm saying? So I get it ready up. We make the coconut jobs. That's so hard one. That's so hard one, man. It's all about the. So you more or less how the shrimps and the jobs over here, so I get it. bubble up. Ox it out and prepare it. So as them say pearl the brown yard, the brown them it well. You know? It's a business place.
This is entrepreneur, this is Charter Brown. Entrepreneur, Charter Brown. From Brownstone, Buster Brown. We are Brown, big one, big family.
Right.
Buster Brown. St. Anne's, big Brown. One big Brown. And we are not cloning at the town.
Good, I drink all the water.
True. I say you want the water to base it, make it sweeter, you know.
Look at the water, I mean, I'm basic. My sugar, coconut water, use and cook the sugar.
Let me tell you, it's a good thing, you know.
And go to the ginger.
Let me tell you, it's a good thing to throw it away.
This is the seafood, you know.
Dada! Come here. Over the paper.
Full of sparks. Go pot white, go pot white.
Clean people say
Is
no.
the pot clean and white? You're not cooking a dirty pot. Everything
White
clean.
like
Pot white like snow. And the coal is blue and the coal is black and the pot white. Whoa, don't do me that.
Yeah, people just sit that.
Don't do me that. That look like a herring and sprat. What that? What that? What that? Barry G Big Son here, what that?
I wonder.
What that? What that? What that? What that? Barry G Big Son.
Oh yeah, carry down till you something the moisture boil out there.
No, we get on to the cooking on it, we should have that.
Okay.
I can't do no hop where I go. Nothing, we don't care down nothing hop.
Right, that's when I hear that people.
No dumb thing around here. Hop, hop, hop. Everything have to clean, so rinse out the basin, yeah? Well clean. Put the shrimp there, like it cool off. So we do it.
Bubble up.
Yeah, until I smell
Cool.
it.
Are they great ones and shed them then, you know, too.
Bend down.
What's the breeze out here? You know?
Shrimp, you know? Original chado matisse.
Now the kitchen with people. You see that?
Long time no see me. I don't see if you never know me did there. I just saw me there. I don't see they never know me did there. See me, I'm gone to the world.
Dada!
Yeah, guys, on the real. Oh, you know the fire. Alright, people shouldn't come off the fire.
So go on the side, you know. Go on the side, man.
But if I lay down and I play dead,